How to introduce a new pet to your dog. 7 tips for dog owners. In this quick video, we give you valuable tips to ensure a smooth transition when introducing a new pet to your dog. Let's dive in. And remember to click the link in the description below for your free expert dog training workshop. Tip 1. Create a neutral space. Set up a neutral territory for your dog and the new pet to meet, avoiding territorial issues. 2. Leash control. Keep both pets on a leash initially for control and safety, gradually allowing more freedom as they become comfortable. 3. Positive reinforcement. Reward calm and friendly behavior with treats, praise, and affection during the introduction process. 4. Supervision. Constantly supervise initial interactions to intervene in case of aggression or discomfort. 5. Gradual exposure. Start with short, supervised sessions and gradually increase the duration and frequency of interactions over time. 6. Separate safe spaces. Provide separate retreat spaces for each pet when they need alone time or a break from interaction. 7. Patience and consistency. It may take time, so be patient and consistent as they adjust and bond. Remember, introducing a new pet can be a success with the right approach. For more help, open the link in the description to access your free dog training workshop and advice from expert service dog trainers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.